Hello nature lovers, welcome back to this channel and to another video of Nature Junkie. So in today's video I have a special guest. So without further ado, say hello to my little friend, and I'm talking about this kumquat tree over here. Now you won't believe how cheap I got this tree, but I'm gonna tell you at the end of this video. However, leave me your thoughts in the comment section down below. How much do you think I got it? And how much would it cost for you to get it to your nearest tree or flower store or whatever? So kumquats are, or kumquat, however you want to pronounce it, are one of my favorite fruit trees. And actually I got two the same day, but this one I'm keeping inside facing a southeast window, which means it gets full sun all day long because they love sun. 6 to 8 hours of sun per day, it's ideal. Also watering, they love watering as well. As long as the top 3 inches of the soil are dry, you need to water it very good, right? But you have to remove the excess water because its roots don't like to sit on water, even though they love water. Okay, so this one I'm keeping inside, the other one I'm keeping it outside into one of my balconies, where it gets the same amount of light and also watering as this one, and I'm going to compare them when spring comes. Now you can expect fruits from November up to April, and then the cycle restarts, which means it will start to flower again, and then eventually next November it will start to grow fruits again. And as you can see here, there are a few fruits, but only this one is 100% done. And I don't know if you can tell on camera, but this has it's soft and it has a quite orange color, so I think it's done and I'm gonna try it right now. However, the other thing that I wanted to mention is that these can endure cold temperatures down to or up to, however, to minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so in my area it never goes that cold in the city where I live, so that's why I'm not afraid to keep the other one outside. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and try this. This is the first fruit that I will try from this tree. So let's see how it tastes. And it got off real easy. Okay, so let me just pretend I'm cleaning it. Okay, so here we go. Actually, you know what? I was expecting, sorry buddy, I judged you, but I was expecting to be a lot more bitter due to the skin at least, which I didn't peel off. But then again, that's how you eat kumquat fruits. You just get them, eat them like this. And yeah, I'm impressed. It's quite delicious, actually. Okay, nice. So let's jump to the part where I tell you how much did I get these trees. Now, before I started recording this video, I made a little research, looking online, watching online how much people would buy these. So here we go. So I got both of these kumquats are quite the same, okay? For 15 US dollars. Can you believe that? And that's why I was so excited to put them in video right away, because I mean, other people will get them for like $35, $40, $30 if they're lucky, you know, or maybe 25 if they know the owner, you know what I mean? So I got this for 15 bucks US dollars, both of them, two of them. Okay, and like I said, this one I'm keeping inside, and when spring comes, I'm gonna put it into a bigger pot, okay, and still keeping it inside, and it's doing quite well, and it's quite easy to take care of. Okay, so please let me know in the comment section down below how much would you get a kumquat tree, and if you have one, if you ever had one, what problems you might have, etc. Leave me your story down below in the comment section. So I guess this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching and stay natural. Cheers.